Hi guys, welcome to our channel BPO Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today we are going to see how to create a surface top view wireframe chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart in VBA Excel, I have created a sample data set using Excel over here as shown on the screen. Now, by this data, we are going to create a surface top view wireframe chart in VBA Excel. First, we will see the output of our code and then we will dive into our VBA editor to understand our code and get a deep understanding about how to create a surface top view wireframe chart in VBA Excel. Now, let's get started. So as you can see on the screen that the surface top view wireframe chart has been created using VBA Excel, and as you can see I have also created a macro button to create this type of chart in VBA Excel, and I've also assigned the VBA code to this macro button. Now let's dive into our VBA editor and understand how we can create this type of chart using a VBA code, and we will get a deep understanding and explanation about the code to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. Let's dive into our VBA editor now. So as you can see on our screen that we have our VBA editor open, and inside our VBA editor we have created a sub procedure to create this amazing surface top view wireframe chart in VBA Excel. Now let's get a deep understanding and let's see what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. Now first what we are going to do is we are going to select a single cell inside our data. So as you can see, this is my data and I have selected a single cell called C4 using VBA Excel. Once you have selected a single cell inside your data, now next what we are going to do is we are going to create two different with statements, or you can say a with inside a with statement is called a nested with. So today we're going to create this chart using nested with statements. So let's see how we can create this amazing chart using VBA, and inside it we can also see how we can create this chart using nested with statements. First what we are going to do is we are going to use first with statement which says with active sheet dot shapes dot add chart to. Then inside the brackets we are going to give some parameters for this line of code. So the first parameter will be the chart code, or you can say chart value in VBA Excel. So each and every chart has its own value to be created, and for our video, that is surface top view wireframe chart in VBA Excel, is 251. And after that we are going to separate each and every parameter using a comma using VBA. So once you have given this comma, we are going to mention what type of chart we are going to create, or what type of chart we have to create by using VBA Excel. So for that, in this video we are going to create a surface top view wireframe chart. So for that we have given the chart type as Excel surface top view wireframe chart. Once you have given this type chart, now we are going to give the positions and the size of our chart. So to give the position and the size of a chart, you can use left, width, top and height as shown on the screen right now. After giving these parameters, you can close your brackets, and after closing it you have to use dot select. Once you have selected, this will create your chart. This first with statement will create your chart, and then it will select your chart as well once created. Now what we are going to do is we are going to perform some activity inside our chart. We want to set some elements, and we have to set our chart title in our chart. So to do that, we are going to use another with statement inside our with statement. This is the inner with statement which we are going to create this surface top view wireframe chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see what the inner with statement does. So what we are going to type over here is with active chart. So once your chart is selected, it becomes the active chart. So what we are going to do is with active chart, and then first we are going to mention, or first we are going to give the chart title to our chart. To do that, what we are going to say is dot hash title equals to true. As you can see, this is our with statement. Inside the with statement, we are writing this lines of code. So first we have to let the VBA know that yes, our chart has a chart title, and to do that we have to type dot hash title equals to true, and then you have to give your chart title below it. So to give the chart title, we have to use dot chart title dot text equals to, then your name of your chart title as per your convenience. You can change it as per your data and the convenience over here. So for our video, I have given the chart title as surface top view wireframe chart in VBA Excel. Once you have given this chart title, we are going to set the elements inside a chart. So for our surface top view wireframe chart in VBA Excel, we are going to first remove the grid lines inside our chart. To remove the grid lines inside a chart, we require these two lines of code to be written. So first, what we are going to say, we are going to set an element. So first element will be dot set element, and in the brackets MSO element primary value grid lines none, and then the next one will be dot set element, and in the brackets MSO element primary category grid lines none. So these two lines of code will help us to remove the grid lines from our chart. Once you have removed your grid lines inside your chart, we are going to set our legends on top. So as you can see, this is our legends and it is placed on top. So to place this legends on top, we are going to write another line of code which is dot set element, and in the bracket it will be MSO element legend top. Once you have given this, the VBA understands that our legends has to be on top of our chart once created. Now we are going to close the inner with statement. Always remember, whenever you are creating a nested with statement, always you have to close the inner with statements followed by the outer one. So here I have closed my inner with statement, and then I am closing my outer with statement. So by using this block of code or these lines of code, you will be able to create this chart successfully. So as you can see, initially we have selected our chart over here. Now to deselect our chart in VBA Excel, we have to select a single cell inside our worksheet. So for my worksheet, B4 is a blank cell, so I have selected that to deselect my chart. Now congratulations, you have learned how to create a surface top view wireframe chart in VBA Excel. If you like this video, then please do like, share, subscribe and comment in the comment box for more such videos in VBA Excel. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.